about the deal I'm making. And if I only could make a deal with God and get him to swap our places, be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building.
The Battle of Willow Creek took place right at the end of the war in our very own Mystic Falls. How many casualties resulted in this battle? Miss Bennett.
A lot. I'm not sure, but like a whole lot.
Cute becomes dumb in an instant, Miss Bennett. Mr. Donovan, would you like to take this opportunity to overcome your embedded jock stereotype?
It's okay, Mr. Tanner. I'm cool with it.
Elena, surely you can enlighten us about one of the town's most significantly historical events?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
I was willing to be lenient last year for obvious reasons, Elena. But the personal excuses ended with summer break.
There were 346 casualties, unless you're counting the local civilians.
That's correct. Mr.
Salvatore.
Salvatore. Any relation to the original settlers here of Mystic Falls?
Distant.
Well, very good. Except, of course, there were no civilian casualties in this battle.
Actually, there were 27, sir. Confederate soldiers, they fired on a church, believing it to be housing weapons, and they were wrong. It's a night of great loss. The Founders' Archives are stored in Civil Hall if you'd like to brush up on your facts. Mr. Tanner.
If people look up to me, I have to send them a sample. Just admit it, Elena.
Oh, okay, so he's a little pretty. He has that romance novel stare.
Stuffing deep into her eyes, piercing her very soul.
Hey, you made it.
I did.
Well, let's get you a drink.
Well,
Oh, come on.